to the biggest show in the continent, and I have my next guest on the show. I love his distinctive flow and rap skills, and he goes by the name Lalid. Brother man, how you doing?
I'm blessed.
Charlie, I love your dripple.
On
Serious
point.
one.
On point.
And your tattoo, how many tattoos do you have? Although you have covered it, but how many tattoos do you have?
Last time I checked, I think 5.
5.
Yeah.
But what inspired you to get
A tattoo.
tattoos?
This has a meaning. Can see the representation
Okay.
of a dead person.
Wow.
Like the scar of.
I mean, your wolf will be an answer.
That be something for people. Yeah. So
Charlie.
that's basically it.
Nice one. But how long have you been doing music?
7 to 8 years.
7 to 8 years.
Yeah.
Bro, you have been in the game for, let me say, it's getting to a decade. And how has the journey been like for you?
The journey has been quite challenging because it's not always going to be smooth. There are days that you are going to feel down, but you still have to keep your head up and then still go on with what you are doing. So it's been quite challenging, and then I've had so much experiences. But I'll say it's all building up to who I'm becoming today. Yeah.
But did you ever thought on giving up?
Giving up?
Yes, at some point?
Nah, I don't think that would be an option. Yeah.
Okay. That's
Never.
all you got?
Yeah.
Okay. That's very dope. I want us to talk about your project with Ground Up, Trenches Babies. How did you link up with Ground Up?
Ground Up reached out to me.
Okay.
Yeah, they reached out to me that they wanted to work with me. Yeah, and then I had a meeting with them, and then everything started from that point.
Okay.
Yeah, so I had to drop a few songs with them. That came out as an EP.
Okay.
And then we dropped
How many songs?
I don't think I can really recall, but I don't think I can recall.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many songs did you have?
With Ground Up?
Yes, on the EP.
On the EP?
Yeah.
Okay, the EP was just me.
Okay.
Yeah, the EP was all about me, but the mixtape was like me and other artists.
Yeah. I don't want us to talk about the big fish. I want us to start with the mixtape.
The mixtape.
Yeah.
So the mixtape were like different arts on the project. People that I was working around with in the studio.
Okay.
Yeah, so we came together and then we brought out the mixtape. So the mixtape was not just me. It was like
a bunch of artists.
Yeah, a bunch of artists coming together to create something.
Okay.
Yeah.
I always say music takes us to time and place of our life. Let's talk about the Big Fish mixtape, or is it EP?
EP.
Yeah. Okay. You have a song with Kweku Smoke. How did it happen?
Kweku, I reached out to Kweku.
Okay.
And then I didn't even think he was going to do it. I was just trying to reach out because I really like his style and then his music. So I've been a fan. I just reached out and then he replied me. So me thinking I was going to get a verse in like a month or 2 months, 3 months, it came in like 2 days, 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was how the link up happened. So we were not in the studio.
Okay.
I sent the project to him.
Okay.
Through his email.
But were you surprised that he sent the song very fast?
Yeah. I was surprised.
What made you surprised?
Because he's up there and then I was still coming up, and I'm still coming up though, but it was crazy how he showed love.
Okay.
Yeah. And I forever appreciate that.
Okay. But the Big Fish, what's your favorite song on that EP?
Oh, they are my favorite though.
Oh,
I'm very good. I'm very good. They know I'm very good.
You treat your babies equal.
Equal, yeah.
Okay, that's very nice. But do you think it has evolved you as a person, or how you approach your music?
I think everything about me counts.
Okay.
Yeah, so everything I put out there, being the content, music, everything counts to my growth.
Okay.
Yeah, so it really did help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your song with Grandpapa. Grandpapa has been the king for, let me say, for 3 decades. And it's a privilege for you to work with him as emerging artists to get the opportunity to work with Grandpapa Reggie Stone. How was the experience like working with him? And what was one advice he gave you as an artist?
Okay, so first of all, big love to my papa, and then working with him it was very I say it taught me a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where what to the right diction, like the words to use and all that.
Okay.
Cause some days I'll be with him writing and then he'll let me know, nah, use this word, take this out, use this one. So he taught me a lot, and working with him made me find myself that's like Afro swing type music. Cause I used to be like rap type boy, yeah. And then working with him, he made it known to me, this is the style I should keep up with. Cause this is my style.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me just own it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And right now, you fully own it.
Right now it's mine. if you guys hear anybody hopping on it, let them come for application. Yeah, then for apply before them hop on out.
Okay, but how will you define your style or your sound?
My sound is a mixture of hip hop, dancehall, reggae, siggy, piggy. I'm just kidding.
Hey, and a shaggy.
Yeah.
Okay. That's very cool.
Yeah.
Since like you like to evolve and learn other stuff, that's very, very interesting. But how many projects do you have out there?
Okay, so I'm having so many projects out there, but right now is the Matter ongoing.
The Matter.
Yeah, the Matter is the latest project out
So
there.
what's the ideology behind that song?
The Matter is just full of vibes.
Full of vibes.
Yeah, when you listen to it, you are going to feel it. You are going to love it.
Okay.
Yeah, you are going to feel the vibe. It's crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's just vibes. So mostly that's the message that you convey in your music?
Nah, not always. Matter in particular.
Okay. What's the story behind that song?
The Matter?
Yeah.
Matter
is
was
it
just...
back to the Matter, open and close?
Oh, no.
This is different
This
matter.
Is a different matter.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a different matter. And I'm hoping the fans help us solve the matter.
Okay.
So we are still on it.
But forgive us freestyle right now.
What a matter there.
I beg
Me step a foot, then me shatter them. I organize and I scatter them. A bag of money stack at them. Pretty girls, me I only bends them, be my me I spark at them guy. Okay, land the better me stagger bang. Fully strapped, double try the any time I bang, fly a bang. Now I just gone too soon.
Gone too soon.
Thank you.
Bad man.
Yeah, man.
So this one is more of like fusion of like reggaeton or something.
Just dancehall hip hop.
Dancehall hip hop.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the dancehall hip hop? Because I'm confused.
Let me just say dance hip.
Dance hip.
But it's just me. Okay, so it's like I've been a fan of hip hop.
Okay.
Yeah, and then growing up, I fell in love with dancehall as well. So I thought about me putting it together and making it my sound.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I came up with that
But
sound.
who are some of the artists you love to collaborate with?
I'd love to.
Yeah.
Any good at. Yeah, any good at.
But you're not specific. Okay,
No,
let's
no.
talk about the big three. Sarkodie, Shatawale, Stoneboy. Who do you love to work with?
All of them. I'm open to work with all of them. Yeah.
But since you're a rapper, I thought maybe you're going to go for Sarkodie or something.
I told you I love dancehall too, so yeah.
But who produced the song?
The Matter.
Yeah.
The Matter was produced and mixed by Saint Beats. Yeah, Saint Beats. Yeah.
Okay. That's very dope.
Yeah, Saint 6.
I know you made a post that we should expect a song, Fingers Crossed, with Sarkodie. What happened to that song?
Oh, I was just catching cruise, but hopefully I'm going to get Sarkodie. Hopefully I'm going to get a song with Sarkodie. I'm praying it works.
Charlie, you can't catch cruise because listen.
Oh, on Twitter I'm just catching cruise.
I know you big street guy. Real street guy, they lie to the trenches.
Oh no, I was just
keep
catching
it real
cruise.
with the trenches.
I was just catching cruise. Because I believe it's going to happen someday. Yeah, so I just made a tweet. I can make a tweet, I'm going to make a song with Wizkid someday. Or cooking with Wizkid, but it's going to be maybe me cooking in my head.
Okay.
Yeah,
so it'd be like you believe in word of affirmation. So you just prophesize to the
and then I just get delusional, so that's Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
but who are some of the artists you draw inspiration from?
Uh, I think for me, I'm not a singer, but I'm mostly looking up to Whiskey.
Wizkid.
Yeah.
Why Wizkid? There are a lot of artists in Ghana here. Why Wizkid?
I just love his style, and then I've always wanted to be a singer.
Okay.
But I feel like I don't have that voice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Growing up, I kept on listening to Whiskey. So.
Okay. Right now, what do you think of the state of Ghanaian music? Do you think we are evolving? We are taking it to the next level?
I think we can do better.
We can do better.
Yeah.
What makes you think we can do better? Because I thought maybe right now we have arrived or
Nah,
something.
I don't think we are there yet.
We are not there yet.
Yeah.
Why?
I feel like we need to put in more work.
Work. But
Yeah.
don't you think your colleagues will find it insulting? Because to them, they are putting in the work. Trying to put Ghana on the map. And you are saying that, Charlie, we need to put in the work.
Nah, Drake is still dropping songs, so I don't
Yeah,
think
true.
anyone is going to feel offended. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
for real.
when I say we have to put in the work, I don't mean we are not working, but the work has to like keep on going on.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
that's why.
To what level? I want you to give me a standard.
For me, to a point where my great grandchildren can come and feed on my royalties and what I'm earning in music.
Okay.
Yeah, that's when you know your songs are really
Okay.
out there.
Okay. Since you are talking about royalties, let's talk about royalties here. Because a lot of artists, they find it very offensive. But are you signed to Gamro?
No.
Then how do you get your royalties?
With the royalties I'm talking about, we upload songs with
Okay.
music platforms.
Okay.
So like distro, when you get the streams and all that, you can just withdraw your money from them. So
Okay.
it's not about you going somewhere to get your money.
Okay.
You could just withdraw it into your account.
Okay. But why don't you want to sign to Gamro? Because that's one structure we are trying to build here. Why don't you want to sign to Gamro?
For now, I'm not saying I don't want to, but maybe someday.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe someday.
Lalid, maybe. Okay, okay. That's very cool.
If it happens, it happens.
Okay. But I think it's a good thing. We have to. But you think, do we have a structure here?
In Ghana music,
Yes.
honestly, I'm just doing my thing. I don't know what's with the Ghana music thing. I'm just working because I'm getting love from people that are not even in Ghana. So it's like me doing my thing. Yeah, I don't really focus on making music for Ghanaians. I'm making music for everyone that can relate.
Relate to your music.
Yeah.
But everything starts from home. You have a fan base. You have a core fans in Ghana too as well. I think you also feed to them. So you also have to think of the well-being of Ghanaian music.
If Ghanaians think about me, I'll think about them.
I don't think about you. That's why you're on the show.
And so I'm thinking about them. That's why I'm dropping songs.
So apart from this song, The Matter, how many projects do you plan to drop this year?
Okay, so I'm planning on dropping a remix for The Matter.
The Matter.
Yeah.
Which artists do you have in mind?
Okay, right now we have Medical on it.
Medical.
Yeah.
Medical.
Yeah.
Why medical?
Medical is a great rapper, and then I feel like he did his thing on it, so.
Okay, and he's going to complement your style.
And thank him for that.
Okay.
I appreciated the verse.
And how did it happen?
So with Medical, I sent him a DM. I asked him for a verse, and then he later came to reply, and then he sent it the next day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what would you say is your lowest moment in the
journey?
music space? Yeah. Throughout your
Lowest
journey.
moment?
Yes. Or lowest point of your life?
Lowest. That's when I appear to a show on time and then I don't get the chance to perform. You understand? Because you could get invited to a show, like a big show, and then after getting there on time, people
And
are
what
going.
show was that?
I don't think I would remember or I don't.
About which year? Which year?
That would be like 2 years, 3 years ago. Yeah, 2, 3 years ago.
So
But it's normal. It's a part of the journey.
but I
That's
just want
what
to
makes-
understand that, like, you are there. It's not like you are late. Oh, Charlie, you are late. So, Charlie, the time you come, there maybe this artist has to be on or something.
Because there's no value on you at that point. You understand? So the valuable ones are meant to perform before you. Yeah, that's how it works in Ghana.
But how did you take it, and how did you work on your on how does it affect your confidence?
No, I don't think it affects me. I feel like it's a part of the journey. It makes it look beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah. Because right now, if I'm headlining a show, I'm going to feel happy.
Okay.
But if I was headlining shows previously, I was not even meant to headline, I was paying to headline, then I wouldn't even feel the success.
Okay.
But if now I'm headlining shows, I know, yeah, I really worked for this.
Okay.
So that's when you feel happy about things.
Okay. Okay. But are you signed to a record label, or are you under any management?
No.
But how do you fund your music? Because your videos are very dope, like the flashy cars and things, and the big booty girls in your videos and stuff. How do you fund your videos?
I use my friends.
Your friends, say the cars to be laboro or something.
I don't have money.
Charlie.
Hey, I don't have money.
Hey, Charlie, and the cars, the mansions and things.
Yeah, they be fine, but we don't have money. We'll get money though.
Oh, scan a beba.
Yeah, for sure.
So roughly, how much do you spend on music video?
Okay, for me, I think I've been getting love from directors. So normally, they don't really charge me for videos because they love to work with me.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't think I can mention a fixed price here because I'm mostly getting free shoots and then all that. Yeah, even with pictures and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the plan for the latest song, The Matter?
The Matter.
And how has the reception been like so far?
And Matter is really causing matters. And then we are still in courts trying to solve one or two.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see the girls hopping on the challenge, the boys too as well. So it's getting crazy. If you don't join, you'll be left behind.
Late.
Yeah, you'll be late.
So then for demonstrate the challenge,
Oh no, challenge no, you can create yours. I don't want to even do any challenge here. You can create yours.
Yeah, fra.
Yeah, fra.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So last words to your fans, and where can we reach you on social media?
I tell my fans to believe, because that's the only word I believe in.
Okay.
Yeah,
but I have some small freestyle before we sign off.
Of Matter, Nana.
Yeah, Matter. On our wild freestyle for MS Life again.
Hey.
MS Life, Mark Moulton.
MX Life.
Yeah. With Mark Moulton.
You did say MX Life. Yet na say me a gangster, but when I cry knife. Me ba has say me name goons and I'm my family wife. I've been a great boy. I'll always be in this life. Very.
Bro, thanks for coming through. Really appreciate your time, guys. This MS Live with my brother Lalid. Great conversation. You can follow us on social media platforms. MS34GH, hashtag MS Live. You can follow me as well, Mac_Moulton. We're signing out. Catch you same time, same place. Love conquers all. Peace. I'm out.
Putting niggas on their toes, not to brag, but I can send a good girl to a hoe.